Detmore 101 here with another Makes Money or Costs Money tool review, and today we are talking about the GRS 16. I guess you would call this a track saw square or a guide rail square. So essentially how this works, I'm not going to get my guide rail down because it's on the ceiling. Now I'm calling it a guide rail. I just call it a rail. But anyway, you clip this onto the rail of your track saw. So imagine this is coming out this way at you, and then you use this as a square. And then instead of having to measure off the end of your workpiece in two spots, you could just ostensibly measure off in one, and this would be square, and you're good to go. The idea is great. Unfortunately, I haven't had a good experience with this actually being square to the degree that I require things to be square. And square is square. I don't need a tool that gets me close to square, because I could use a speed square, a combination square on my rail to get me close to square. If I'm spending over $100 on a tool with the specific purpose of getting my rail for my track saw square, I expect it to be perfectly square, and I haven't had that experience with this tool, unfortunately. So for that reason, this goes in the doesn't make money category. Now, I'll put the caveat in that maybe mine is messed up. I don't know how it could be messed up, because this looks like it's made out of one solid piece of aluminum. So I don't really think there's much variation there. And it's not that my edge of my board is imperfect, because I always work off a fresh cut. So it just doesn't work for me. It's a tool that I really wanted to like. I had high expectations, and it didn't deliver as far as the precision I was looking for. So for that reason, it goes on the cost money side of the table. Sorry.